Hi, it's Zach and Anissa, and we're really excited to bring you today's deal on the Masuta mixer. This is a really awesome personal blender that you can take with you anywhere and make healthy smoothies. You can make protein shakes, even baby food on the go.
Yeah, it's completely cordless. That's because it's got a rechargeable battery in the bottom, and so you charge it up with the USB cord, and then you can get 6 to 10 blends out of it.
Yeah, and it actually goes at 15,000 RPMs, so this is a super strong blender, especially for a wireless one. You can even blend up ice in here to make delicious smoothies. One thing to mention about the ice is it's better to use smaller cubes or even crushed ice if you have access to it. It's gonna have a much easier time of blending it up. Now you can use full cubes, but you might have to tip the bottle upside down a little bit while you're blending, which is nice and easy to do while you're blending it. Maybe blend it in little spurts. Okay, here we go. Put the cap on. Look at that thing go. Yeah, and you don't have to drink it out of the blender itself. Once you're done with the smoothie, all you have to do is flip it upside down, take the blade off, and then the cap is actually over here, and you can put this right on there. It just becomes a regular old bottle to drink out of, and then you can use the other part of the cap to cover up the blade so no one gets hurt and you don't have a mess everywhere.
But what I really love about it is the safety feature. When you undo it, this will not turn on, so it's very safe. And now let's talk about the bottle. The bottle is BPA free and dishwasher safe, and the blades, the stainless steel blades, are food grade stainless steel.
Not only is this a blender and bottle, but it's also a charger for your phone. It's a battery backup. Next to the port where you charge the bottle up itself, you'll see that there's a USB port as well. This is so you can plug your iPhone cords in there, your Android cords, and charge up your phone using the internal battery.
I truly love this blender. I've taken it to the gym, to the golf course. I've even taken it on trips, and it's actually helped me lose 40 pounds.
Yeah, wow. And you're not gonna believe the price that we have on this. It's a phenomenal deal, and the more you buy, the more you save. So head on over to the site and grab 1 or 2 of these today.